Our president, Muhammadu Buhari, don't land inside isolation center. As we hear, our president don't get coronavirus. Hey, Oga, you travel all the way to United Kingdom. The only thing where you see say you go fit bring back home for your people, na sickness. Hey, it there for your body, oh. But as we hear him, this president, una know say this man go. Say he won't go for one educational summit. And say afterwards, he go there, go do normal checkup when they do as a regular. But as he be as head of state enter inside country, we hear say he don't catch coro. Where he get am from? Now only God know. Why be say boo boo? You just even like bad luck. Anything we say you know good, now they always carry. Come enter inside our country for us. But as he be, we hear say this kind of matter we do am. Say no be anything. We go make anybody panic inside Nigeria. Say they go through the normal COVID-19 protocol. Say yes, as in travel. Maybe the people wey don dey in contact with, they fit get coronavirus. Now wetin make now they come put am inside isolation center, say make him go through the due process. And say the normal official self wey follow am go, all of them go make sure say wetin they do this test, and if they dey positive, themselves go enter isolation center. And if they no dey positive, now there they go really say make them these people they carry themselves, they go house. And I know say some people, I know say our they go they happy. I know say as na hear this news, that they go they happy say yes. Say the God of wonders go do something, but make a shock on her. They say on our president they okay. Say nothing do am. Hey, these people just want play with us. Say people they strong and okay. I can't they wonder, you they say now you they carry this sickness now enter Nigeria. But you don't see and say this thing now, it don't they go small. It be like say now you won't come carry this thing again, they come back to this place. And I beg, I say now hospital checkup you go do. Why besides you did it, they don't know to say you don't get corona? Why besides now you can't enter Nigeria again? Now I'm saying you can't decide say you won't get this one. And as you go there, if say you sit down for one place, all this kind of thing no go happen. Now so you carry your leg, only you go to Numbu place. Only you they walk up and down. If they say president, sit down for one place, you no go agree. Now you say now you don't catch corona come. But I hope say this sickness, I hope say no be planting again. Hope say no be our government people, they won't use and now take they chop money because now no say any small thing now. They go say hey, they won't use phone, they do this. I hope say no be planting. But if true say this president get them, I hope say they go do all the necessary things because people will follow this man enter plane. I shall say by now, themselves they go don't contact this corona. Even the hair hostess and everybody will follow. I shall say by now, something go down they fishy on top of their own body. So I beg them, may they carry them, these people say go check them up where. If not vaccine, they go collect, may they collect. And I say this vaccine, it help suppress this thing. How come? What can even be the essence of this whole vaccine of it? Because if let's say they collect them, still they test positive. I beg make na go do na findings well before na go carry any vaccine they come outside again. Because this one, it go even give people more doubts for them to collect them. But also our president now go treat them well. He go there okay, so that later he go fit come outside and tell us the testimony. And I pray say nothing go do am because I know say people they pray to make this man die. No be my mouth now go hear them. But I hope say president you go there okay. Now here I go end this matter. My people, anything when I fear about them, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now stay tuned for the next video. I bring good news for my Twitter family. Federal government don't decide say them go lift the ban wey dey on top of Twitter. And the Minister of Information and Culture, Lai Mohammed, now they announce this one to us. See as it be like this, them and Twitter don't reach amicable stage of agreement. So they don't decide say within the day they go open this thing. My people beg now watch where this man for talk this one.
The end for an amicable solution is very much in sight. We quite appreciate the anxiety of Nigerians who have been worried that 2 months after the suspension, we have not been able to finalize talks. But I just want to assure you that we have made tremendous progress. As of today, we are not aware of any Twitter representative in Nigeria. And we said that representative shall be a staff of Twitter, but it must be one that has access to the global management of Twitter so that he will not, so that he can serve as a liaison between Nigeria and Twitter, so that we're able to, the country representative should also have a physical office address to Nigeria. Then finally, we asked that Twitter should immediately establish a local compliance and grievance redress mechanism to be domiciled in Nigeria and to be, be staffed by persons who understand local context and our culture. So this is broadly what we have sent to Twitter. Twitter has responded, but there are a few areas that both parties are yet to agree on.
I hope say this agreement go work, sha. But these people they decide say it good say make Twitter come Nigeria, come represent themselves and make they get person as staff inside this place. Say and in fact they go like them if these people go fit open office for inside Nigeria, so that at least if anything happen they go get visible place where they go fit go visit all these people for. But say the real matter where they see they fight about now about that office opening. Say because as it be then Twitter still they decide say how they go open this place, I be they no go still open them. And say as the matter be na Twitter hand the deal. Say now then go fit decide now where they go open this and they no go open them. And myself I want reason with Twitter. Make we look this inside Nigeria. Lights no they 2 days. So how person won't start business for here? Now we say Twitter now they go they open later now NEPA don't take lights. All this one they go the reason them as factor. And second, we now know say insecurity now don't inside Nigeria. So I beg how then these people want to survive? How they go take manage this whole thing for inside this place? But anyway, me I reason this one say no be bad idea. If they go fit bring her, I no fit say na anything wey dey bad. But as e be, they still talk say they still dey decide on the conclusion. Say they never decide, say but it still remain say Twitter. See they look and say anything wey they bring, anything wey Nigeria bring down, they go accept to them because of waiting. Say they won't make their business go back to work. And I hope say this whole thing it go work. If na office make they build them, but they talk say either office self no be now. Say if they go do and say blessing na 2022. Now they go the reason to do this kind thing. But this one way they do, I hope say go really work. Because this Twitter way they even ban self. Make we know like people see they use them. Even then these people ban they see they use this Twitter, see they monitor people. So I hope say this one way na bring no be bad idea. Make na reason and work, make na do and make the thing shall work. Make everything go back to normal for inside Nigeria. No be bad. I be my people where they listen. What you on yourself feel about this idea? Anything I feel, make na write and put inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for the next video.